Finally, my package from Charlotte Tilbury has arrived. Let's unbox it together. So I ordered the new Pillow Talk Clip and Glow Chic in both colors. Colors of Dreams and Colors of Passion. And it looks like this. The packaging is, as always, gold with her initials on it. Very cute, very elegant. For me, I find the color pretty similar. When I first got it, I thought that did they pack the same color for me, because it looks almost identical. So, but I'm gonna swatch it on my hand so you guys can see the difference. So I'm gonna start with Color of Passion. So this is Color of Passion. It's pretty sheer. And then I'm gonna go with Color of Dreams. So as you can see, the Color of Dream is a lot lighter than the Color of Passion, but in the package it looks really similar. So I have my makeup on, but I didn't do my cheek and my lips because I want to try these products on my lips and cheeks. So let's start with the light one first. I'm gonna do the Color of Dreams first because it's lighter, so it's easy to remove. So I'm gonna try it on this side. Oh, it's very pigmented. This is a lighter shade, keep in mind. Wow, I'm impressed. Wow, it's really cute. It really complements my skin. Wow. Okay, let's try it on the lips. So as you can see, my lips naturally is already red. So I think I'm gonna put some foundation on first, so you guys can see the difference. So I think this will help. Alright, so Color of Dreams. I'm gonna go a little bit closer so you guys can see the difference. It's very sheer. Yeah, it gives you that slight pink. So I'm just gonna do it on the bottom lips so I can try another color on the top lip and I can compare it. I know it's weird. So next one, let's try Color of Passion. Color of Passion on this cheek. Wow, it's very pigmented. Whoa. It's very similar. I love to use my finger to apply like cream blush and stuff, so like you because I can control it. Okay. For me, it's identical. Like maybe this one is a little bit heavier, but yeah, I can't see the difference that much. So I'm gonna apply Color of Passions on my lips and compare it. Okay, on the lip it's pretty obvious. I'm gonna go closer. So the Color of Passion is definitely heavier than the Color of Dreams. This is very sheer. This has like a little bit of color on, but I'm sure you can build it up. But on the cheek, on the cheek, Color of Dreams, I don't see the difference at all. On the cheek, I can see the difference when I use Color of Passion, but Color of Dreams, I don't really see anything. Maybe I have to build it up a little bit. So talking about the price, these retails for 39 euros or $40, which is pretty pricey compared to other cream blushes in the market. But the packaging is very good and the quality is very nice. I'm sure it's gonna stay on your cheek on your cheeks all day. And so I'm gonna compare it with the Pillow Talk lipstick. This is the original color. See how much of a difference it makes. So do it here. So this is the Pillow Talk, Color of Dreams, and Color of Passion. Color of Passion is definitely heavier than Pillow Talk, but Pillow Talk and Color of Dreams is very similar. This one is matte and this one is more sheer. And another color that I had in mind is also from Charlotte Tilbury. It's Bond Girl, and I think this is going to be really similar to Color of Passion. So yeah, I think these two are very similar, and these two are very similar. So my final thought on these lip and cheek glow product from Charlotte Tilbury, I really like it, but I think that you choose only one color to purchase because it's very similar, as you can see already. Like no one can tell it's different, that they have two different products on, like, and my top lips and my bottom lips as well. Like there's not that much of a difference, so you can purchase just one because it's very pricey and it's identical. And that's it, you guys, for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!